Daman baha marweng kunjung ba sambor lang merthong bat kakong jentri marweng. Basyong basa ahlait kor silong ulayo pediang ya arteli kita kemaksiar nalor kisernat kum kajing itu ikajing job kajung nakamata unus nam arajar arpoar lengba kajing wan hakakerdan kebakli du hakabaide berka cumulative grade point average lane ka CGPA. Ya kane kakusnam lasam haka convocation ka bahenriu jongka National Institute of Technology Mizoram malapenlong apo auditorium Aizol hakabau Dr. Hari Babu Kambham Pati ubade ulat ka jela Mizoram ulai don langkum ukongsan. Daman bha ulai opediang ya ka Postgraduate Institute Gold Medal halor ka Master of Technology ka Postgraduate Institute Gold Medal kadai ka baju ai syuki kena kibawan hakakerdan ke bandingkong hakabayade berka cumulative grade point average hapedang ki kena pule jong baro kitanat kibayo pedang ya kikerdan degree of Master of Technology kawaipat kadai ka Postgraduate Gold Medal of Mechanical Engineering ya kane ka Postgraduate Gold Medal lai syakitu ki kena kibawan syakmat hakabayade berka cumulative grade point average hapedang baro ki kena pule jong kitanat Mechanical Engineering haka Master of Technology. Menta udaman baha marweng unang penkre eka PhD aka Thermal Engineering hapo ka jingkemi jong Dr. Biplab Kumar Debnat hapo ka National Institute of Technology Meghalaya.
The postgraduate gold medal is awarded to the student who stands first, securing the highest cumulative grade point average CGPA among all the students of the batch receiving the degrees for Master of Technology. For the year 2021-22, I present to His Excellency Dr. Hari Babu Kambhampati, the Governor of Mizoram, Dhamamba Marvin from the Department of Mechanical Engineering for the medal. You can get back. Dhamamba Marvin from Mechanical Engineering Department.